Alright, so before we clean out the room and get that going, we're gonna come over here to the Riverside and go to a little store really quick. Check out if they have something that we like. We didn't find what we were looking for, but we did find
Beignet shirt. Also, it's textured and I really like it.
Beignets all day.
She's been wanting this for a while.
Actually, I want the
She wants this,
I want the lounge fly.
lounge fly too.
This is probably a little big, but that's all right.
Let me touch it.
All right. Anyways, we're going back to the room. We're gonna go clean it all up and head out. Well, we'll let you know in the room. We're carrying the things to the car. Ashley's getting a couple things finished up. Hi, Eli. Eli's got the heaviest thing. He's got what? He's got an umbrella. Umbrellas are super heavy here in Florida because it's always raining. So he's got like the most important job of all.
No, Terrence got the heaviest thing.
What? Nah. All right. Look both ways. So we finished cleaning up the room. We are all ready. I do, listen, good tip for everybody. Always bring a cooler with you in case you have extra stuff. You can always just take it home. Things that could melt in the sun if you're going to go somewhere else. And you can have them in your, you keep them in your car for longer by getting ice from the ice machine. Anyways, that's pretty much our going away morning routine, is get everything ready to go. Ashley, what you doing over there?
I was actually watching a Facebook group.
Oh.
Actually, I am. I like the Fetch Reward app, so I like to take all of my receipts and take pictures of them in the app to earn points.
All right. Anyway, yeah. Also, we watch our church services online. We screen mirrored my phone onto the TV. That's why it took forever to make this video. Because we're watching services, so we like to watch our Sunday services online when we are actually out on the road or traveling or something like that. Keeps us connected to our church family as well. Anyways, we will see you where?
Ohana Cafe.
Now, Ohana's. The cafe.
Òhana.
We're going to the restaurant, Ohana. Bye. See you in a little bit. Hey, will somebody clap us out of here into the 1, 2? Hi. We're Ohana's. Let's see. Take a picture. All right. And Dylan, you want to? Hi, Lilo.
Now, oh, you can take your phone.
I love you. It's so delicious, baby. My favorite. It's new.
That happened.
That was that, and that, hold on, and everybody clapped for that was my mommy.
guess your wife has an addiction to Disney eggs. She makes up songs. This is our second skillet, and she loves it.
I have to ask her to stop. Just ask her. I don't know.
Awesome. And Carolyn. You want a picture in there, babe? Alright. Thank you, Mickey. Love you too. Oh, look, I got you. Stitch is always smiling. Carolyn missed her chance with Stitch, so Ashley went to ask if we'd go ahead and get another one. We're just do this all over again because Daddy wasn't recording. So Carolyn got herself a what? A Stitch. Let me see Stitch. Oh my gosh, he's sleeping, or she squished him so hard he passed out. What about you, Eli? What'd you get?
Cookbook.
Cookbook. Eli said he's gonna try new recipes. He's gonna try eating more. So he's got himself the cookbook so he can cook for us at the house.
I'm probably gonna try to get the dough for the beignets.
Beignet dough. Okay, cool. All right. What do you want to say?
I love Stitch. The best it just came out of. Okay. I love Stitch.
All right. Well, let's just say. All right, everybody. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below, like, share the videos, do all that good stuff. We will see you later. This is our adventure for today. Sorry for another short video, but you know what? It's okay though. We thank you so much for joining our adventure. Bye.